Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix packet loss, high ping, jittering and stuttering for Rocket League. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, it's for security purposes. You just need to go to create a restore point and press create and give it a name. It really doesn't matter. In my case, it will be Rocket League. So basically what it does, if you mess up some settings here and something is not working for you, you can always go back here and restore your settings before you change it, right? So you just need to go to system restore, then you need to choose a different restore point, select your save here and then complete the steps and your system will be restored previously before you change the settings, right? So this is for security reasons, and now let's go to the actual fix. So first of all, you just need to write on search view network connections. Then if you see some things here that you don't use and it's enabled, just right click on it and disable it, right? And just leave with your Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection. Then you just need to right click on your internet connection, go to properties, and make sure client for Microsoft Networks and Internet Protocol version 4 is the only option that is enabled here, and just uncheck it others like this. Then press OK. Then right click again, go to properties, go to configure, then go to power management and make sure allow this device to wake the computer. Basically the only option here is selected. Then go to advanced, and here you need to copy my settings. So the first setting, advanced EEE disabled, RP offload disabled, EEE max support speed, don't change this. Then energy official Ethernet, flow control, gigabit light, green Ethernet, interrupt moderation, IPv4 checksum offload, jumbo frame, and large send offload v2 IPv4 and IPv6 should be disabled. Okay, then network address not present, NS offload disabled, power saving mode disabled, priority and VLAN should be priority and VLAN enabled, receive buffers, don't change anything here, leave it as it is, shutdown wake on LAN disabled, speed and duplex, select highest available, TCP checksum offload IPv4 and TCP checksum offload IPv6 should be disabled. Then transmit buffers, don't change anything here. UDP checksum offload IPv4 and UDP checksum offload IPv6 should be disabled. VLAN ID, don't change anything here. Wake on magic packet disabled. Wake on pattern match disabled. And VOL shutdowning speed, don't change anything here. Then press OK and apply the settings. Then go back on view network connection. Look for your internet connection, right click on it, go to properties, then you need to look for Internet Protocol version 4 and select this option here. And then you need to change some DNS server addresses. So primarily there is 2 DNS servers that is working good, Cloudflare and Google. So you just need to test it out which one is working better for you. In my case Cloudflare, but I will show you how you can test it for yourself as well. So you just need to go to CMD and run as admin. And here you need to put your DNS server. So first write ping and then put your first DNS server. In my case, first I will test Cloudflare's. So 1.1.1.1.1 and press enter, okay? And wait until you get results, right? So for me, average MS is 3 and packet loss is 0. If I put a secondary DNS server 1.0.0.1, as you can see here that I'm getting 4 MS with 0 packet loss. If I put Google, so ping 8.8.8.8, as you can see, I'm getting 0 packet loss and 8 MS. And if I put Google secondary DNS server address, ping 8.8.8.4.4. As you can see here, 7 MS. For me, Cloudflare is better, so I'm using it now. And then what you need to do here is to restart, of course, save the changes, restart your computer and look if you're getting better results or not. If you're not getting better results, that I highly suggest you to use ExitLag. It has free trial if you sign up to me. Of course, if you buy later, I will get small commission for that. But just to test it out, just connect with your game and look if the problem persists. When I didn't have Ethernet connection while ping CS2, I always used it, and basically with ExitLag I could play, because without it there was always a high ping and packet loss every second. So what you need to do here is to go to library, then you just need to look for Rocket League, right? Rocket League, Then you need to choose region or server, select your region, in my case Europe. Then once you hear it, press apply routes, run the game, and look if you're getting better results or not. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like.